Have you ever lain in bed, eyes closed, but your mind just won't stop talking? You replay conversations from the day, think about tomorrow's to-do list, or worry about things that haven't even happened yet. And before you know it, it's 2 a.m. and you're still awake. What if I told you that just 5 minutes before bed could quiet those racing thoughts and train your body to let go? No pills, no melatonin, no elaborate routines. In this video, we'll go step by step through a simple 5-minute bedtime routine for anxiety relief, backed by science, that helps your mind shift from chaos to calm and your body ease naturally into deep, restorative sleep. Welcome to Wellness Whistle, where we explore real, practical ways to take care of your mind and body using simple science you can actually use. If you deal with anxiety while trying to sleep, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with it, but there's a gentle way to retrain your body to relax again. Let's start with why your mind keeps racing in the first place. Here's something few people realize. Your brain doesn't have an off switch. When you feel anxious before bed, your sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response, is still active. Your brain is flooded with cortisol and adrenaline, the same chemicals that prepare you to react, not rest. Scientists have found that when this system stays active at night, your heart rate stays elevated, your muscles remain tense, and your thoughts keep looping, almost like your mind is scrolling on autopilot. That's why just lying still or forcing yourself to stop thinking doesn't work. The key is to gently guide your body into a relaxation response, the opposite of fight or flight, using short, simple steps that tell your nervous system, you're safe, it's time to rest. Let's walk through a 5-minute routine to relax before bed, designed to decrease sleep anxiety and calm your mind naturally. Each step is backed by research, and you can do them anywhere. No equipment, no supplements, just you and your breath. Step 1. Release the day. 1 minute. First, release the day. As you sit or lie down, imagine dropping the weight of the day like setting down a heavy backpack. Studies show that simply labeling your emotions, saying to yourself, "I feel tense," or "I'm still wound up," can reduce amygdala activity in the brain, the center of fear and anxiety. You don't have to fix anything. Just acknowledge how you feel and give yourself permission to rest. Step 2. 4-7-8 breathing, 1 minute. Next, we'll calm your nervous system using a simple breathing technique called 4-7-8 breathing. Here's how. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Do this for about 1 minute. Research from the National Center for Biotechnology Information found that deep breathing activates the vagus nerve, signaling your body to slow your heart rate and lower cortisol. You may notice your body feeling cooler and your tension easing as your nervous system relaxes. Step 3. Progressive muscle release. 1 minute. Now let's help your body follow your breath. Starting from your toes, gently tense and release each muscle group: legs, stomach, shoulders, neck, and finally your face. When you first practice this, you will realize how much tension you were holding without noticing. By releasing each muscle, you send your brain a physical signal of safety. Research calls this progressive muscle relaxation, and it's been shown to reduce anxiety and improve both sleep quality and duration, especially for people dealing with chronic stress. Step 4. Mind-quieting visualization, 1 minute. Now, imagine you're watching your thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky. You're not chasing them, just noticing them pass. If a thought pops up, "Did I send that email?" Or, "What if I can't sleep again?" Picture placing it on a cloud and letting it float away. This simple visualization helps engage your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that lets you observe thoughts instead of drowning in them. Every time you practice, it becomes easier for your mind to let go. Step 5. Gratitude anchor. 1 minute. To finish, think of 3 small things you're grateful for right now. Maybe it's a soft pillow, the sound of rain, or just this quiet moment of care for yourself. Gratitude is powerful. It releases dopamine and serotonin, chemicals that counteract anxiety and promote relaxation. Ending your day this way creates what psychologists call a positive feedback loop. You fall asleep in a calmer state and wake up with more mental clarity the next morning. Your body will start to recognize this routine as a signal. It's time to unwind. Over the past few years, research has shown how small rituals like these can make a big difference. Recent scientific reviews and clinical trials show that simple practices, like deep breathing, relaxation exercises, and even gratitude journaling, are each linked to lower nighttime anxiety and better overall sleep quality. In other words, these gentle habits really can help your mind unwind and prepare your body for rest. This isn't about perfection. It's about creating a nightly rhythm your brain can trust. I'd love to know, what part of bedtime is hardest for you? Is it quieting your thoughts, feeling your body relax, or simply finding the time to slow down? Share it in the comments below. Your story might help someone else who's struggling tonight. If you want to make this routine work long-term, try these simple habits. Dim your lights 30 minutes before bed. Your brain needs darkness to release melatonin naturally. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and keep your phone out of arm's reach. Bright screens can reignite mental chatter just when you need quiet. Remember, you don't need perfection. You need consistency. Even 5 minutes a night can retrain your mind and body to unwind more easily. When you climb into bed tonight and your thoughts start racing, just remember, you've been here before, and you know what to do now. 5 quiet minutes is all it takes to help your mind unwind, and your body remember how to rest. If you found this helpful, gently tap the like button and subscribe for more science-backed wellness rituals from Wellness Whistle. And if you'd like to learn more about how deep sleep restores your brain, watch our next video, What Happens to the Brain During Deep Sleep.